Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use one-a-day women's multivitamin. Taking a daily multivitamin can support your overall health, filling nutritional gaps. We'll cover the optimal way to incorporate it into your routine, ensuring you get the most from its specially formulated blend. This guide will help you understand its benefits and proper usage for women's wellness. For best results, take 1 tablet of one-a-day women's multivitamin daily. It's generally recommended to take it with a meal to improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and reduce stomach upset. Establishing a consistent time each day, perhaps with breakfast or dinner, helps you remember. Always adhere to the suggested dosage for safety and effectiveness. One-a-day women's multivitamin is packed with essential nutrients. It features vitamin D, crucial for strong bones and immune function, and a full spectrum of B vitamins to support energy metabolism. Iron is also included, vital for healthy red blood cells, especially important for women. These ingredients work together to support various aspects of women's health. Before adding any new supplement, including one-a-day women's multivitamin, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Proper storage is also important. Keep your bottle in a cool, dry place to maintain potency. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Remember, a balanced diet remains fundamental for good health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.